How's it going, guys? This is Derek with Detail World, New Jersey, and we got the pleasure to work on this very dirty 2024 4Runner. The way the vehicle looked, it definitely didn't look like a 2024, but once we looked at the window sticker and realized the car only had 2,000 miles on it, I was like, good Lord, this thing is dirty. So, to start off, we started using one of the newer chemicals we picked up at the store, MSN, which is Multi-Star from Koch Chemie. Now, this product is designed for only the exterior of the vehicle, and this is a product that you're going to use to take out heavy road film, bird poop, anything nasty on the vehicle. And this chemical is only diluted at a 10-to-1 dilution. So at 10-to-1, the 5 liters is going to last you a long time. You put it in a pump spray like you see me using here in the video, and we can spray down the entire exterior of the vehicle. When you hit it with the pressure washer, you're going to knock off a surprising amount of dirt off the vehicle. We even use it as a pre-treat on the tires and the rims to kind of knock off the initial old dressing and the old brake dust, get all that stuff off. Next, we went a little bit out of order, but we ended up foaming the car down with Chemical Guy's Honeydew Snow Foam, and then me and the buddy that was helping me went and then cleaned the wheels with orange degreaser. Once everything was cleaned up, we dried the vehicle, and then part of this video is we're showing very easy protection to add to a vehicle. So we use Gyeon Wet Coat. Now, Wet Coat is a ready-to-use product. It's a very simple product. Anyone can use it. If you're looking for quick, easy ceramic-based protection, you simply spray it on the vehicle while it's wet and rinse it off with a strong stream for pressure washer. Don't use the garden hose. A lot easier for pressure washer. And you'll immediately see it bonding to the surface to give you really good protection that lasts a few months and be able to get you through the winter. Now, another product that we used in this video was Koch Chemie's PW. Now, PW, I cannot keep that stuff in stock. That has been one of the most hottest selling products. We sell a ton of it online. We got guys getting bottles of it in the store. I even got to get the 5 liter in now because we got people that really love this stuff. But basically, this product is Wet Coat, but concentrated. So you mix this product 10-to-1. You can even put it in a foam cannon. In the video, you see we only use a tiny bit of the product here in the very bottom of the 32-ounce bottle. You fill the rest with water, and you simply just spray it on and rinse it off. So it's just like Wet Coat, but concentrated. So you need to make sure you watch your dilutions with this stuff. The dilutions for this one's going to be between 1-4 and 1-30. Most people go right in the middle at 10-to-1. You can use it as a Wet Coat style product. So you spray and rinse it on. Hit it with the pressure washer to knock most of it off. You see it turn white, and it has what's called the Lotus effect as it's going on. And then that gives you same thing, about a month or two of protection, simple and easy to use. And if you guys are looking for a little bit better protection, this vehicle got a quick polish, and then we went in with Gyeon One, which is their 2-year ceramic coating. Now this 4Runner was pretty nasty. This car looks like it definitely went to the car wash a few times. A light polish, we were able to clean up the paint and make it look nice and shiny. And then we did our panel prep and applied Gyeon One to the hood in this vehicle just to kind of do a nice 50-50 to see that, you got your better best as far as protection. Obviously, the coating is going to last the longest. Now, for the interior, this car, like I was saying in the beginning, very little miles, very nasty in there. These customers happen to have kids, so we had milk stains, we had gummy bears, all kinds of stickers. There was stuff everywhere in this vehicle. So after we blew everything out, the Toradors, we went in and shampooed the carpets, and then the leather seats needed some help. We took the child seats out. Just if you guys, a quick tip for you guys, details. If you take the seats out, have the parents put the seats back in. Don't you put the seats back in, because I don't have kids. I don't know how to put them back in correctly. So once you get the seats out of the car, you're then going to go in, and we used either Endo. We also had 3D's LVP Cleaner. Basically, you want a good concentrated APC to go and clean everything. The carpets weren't too bad. We just took the floor mats out. It was really just those leather seats that were kind of sticky. So once we got everything nice and clean, wiped everything, blew everything down, everything got dressed using our interior shine, which we come in the cans, and that stuff has a beautiful watermelon scent. Once everything was done, closed all the doors. We then used our Detailing World's blue dressing, which is a solvent-based, more of that liquidy kind of dressing. Now, this dressing gives a nice, deep, rich shine on the tires. The one thing I will tell you, though, is if you're going to use blue dressing, make sure, especially if it's an off-road vehicle like this 4Runner, you go in and make sure you take a microfiber towel to wipe the treads, because a lot of times with these more liquidy dressings, you will get a little bit of dressing inside there, and it can splatter up on the side of the vehicle, and customers don't like that. So if you guys love any of the products, you love this video, please give us a like and subscribe. And if you want to pick up any of the products, please visit our website at detailworldnj.com or come visit us at the store at 355C Route 22 in Springfield, New Jersey.